Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Gemini AI app on your mobile device in just a few simple steps. If you're new to Gemini and want to download the official app, don't worry. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, I'll show you exactly what to do. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Next, tap the search bar and search for Google Gemini. Look for the official Gemini app from Google. Then tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once it's installed, tap Open. We'll then be asked to sign in with your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After signing in, you can start using Gemini and ask questions or get help with different tasks. And that's it. That's how you can download the Gemini AI app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick and easy tech tutorials.